In our high-tech world, we've come to expect the occasional glitch, the error message, the unexpected failure. But what if there was a machine that simply worked? A car that offered the ultimate luxury, complete and total peace of mind. This isn't about speed or status symbols. It's about a promise, forged in steel, that you will always reach your destination. Today, we celebrate the titans of dependability. These are the top 12 cars that simply never break down. Let's start with a vehicle that quietly became the backbone of countless families, the Honda CR-V.
Welcome back to Luxurist. Prepare yourselves, because we're about to separate the fast from the ferocious.
In the late 90s and early 2000s, Honda was at the absolute peak of its engineering prowess. The first and second generation CR-Vs were the perfect embodiment of this. What made them so dependable? Simplicity and quality. The four-cylinder engines, particularly the B20 and later the K24, were masterpieces of efficient and durable design. They didn't have complex turbochargers or direct injection systems. They were just brilliantly assembled, naturally aspirated engines that could run for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. The automatic transmissions were robust, and the clever real-time all-wheel drive system was effective yet mechanically simple. The CR-V offered the practicality of an SUV without the complexity, creating a recipe for a vehicle that owners could trust implicitly for decades. A Porsche on a list of unbreakable cars? Absolutely. While older models had their quirks, the second phase of the 997 generation, known as the 997.2, represents a high watermark for modern sports car reliability. Porsche made a crucial engineering change that solidified this car's legendary status. The key was the introduction of the new 9A1 engine family. This design eliminated the infamous intermediate shaft, or IMS bearing, which had been a potential point of failure in previous water-cooled 911s. The new engine also featured direct fuel injection, making it more powerful and efficient, but it was designed with durability at its core. Porsche knows its owners drive their cars hard, and they engineered the 997.2 to withstand that use. Combine this robust engine with an incredibly strong chassis and high-quality components, and you have a true supercar that you can confidently drive every single day. It's a testament to Porsche's commitment to engineering excellence. When you need to get somewhere and failure is not an option, you choose a Toyota 4Runner. While all generations are known for their toughness, the fourth generation is often considered a sweet spot, blending modern comfort with old-school bulletproof engineering. This 4Runner was built on a traditional body-on-frame platform, making it incredibly rugged, but its heart was its available 4.0-liter V6 engine, the 1GR-FE. This engine is a legend in its own right, known for its smooth power delivery and near indestructible nature, thanks in part to a timing chain that was designed to last the life of the vehicle. The optional 4.7-liter V8 was equally robust. Everything about this vehicle, from its heavy-duty suspension to its simple and effective electronics, was designed for a long service life in harsh conditions. It's why you see these 4Runners with 250,000 or 300,000 miles still tackling tough off-road trails without breaking a sweat. We now turn to a car that became a cultural icon for its sheer refusal to die, the Volvo 240. Produced for nearly 2 decades, the 240, affectionately called the Brick, built Volvo's global reputation for safety and, more importantly, longevity. The secret to the 240 wasn't cutting-edge technology. It was the opposite. It was a simple, over-engineered machine. The famous red block 4-cylinder engine is a paragon of durability, a simple iron block design that could withstand incredible neglect and still keep running. The car's construction was famously robust, with thick steel and a chassis designed to last a lifetime. Mechanics will tell you that everything on a 240 is easy to access and simple to fix, but you rarely have to. These cars weren't just built to get you from point A to point B, they were built to do it for 30 or 40 years. They are a rolling testament to the beauty of simple, effective design.
It is the best-selling car in the history of the world, and there is one primary reason for that: trust. For decades, the Toyota Corolla has been the undisputed definition of a car that just works. It is the gold standard for reliable, no-fuss transportation. Toyota's philosophy with the Corolla has never been to be the fastest or the flashiest. Instead, they have focused on a process of continuous, incremental improvement. They identify a design that works, and they refine it, perfecting every component for maximum durability and efficiency. From the famously reliable 4A FE engines of the 90s to the modern 2ZR FE, Corolla powertrains are designed to be understressed and incredibly long-lasting. It's a car built without ego, focused solely on its mission, to provide its owner with hundreds of thousands of miles of trouble-free service. And in that mission, it has succeeded like no other car in history. What happens when you take the legendary reliability of a Toyota Camry and wrap it in a layer of luxury, refinement, and superior build quality? You get the Lexus ES. For buyers who want a premium experience without the premium maintenance headaches, the ES has been the default choice for decades. The formula is simple but effective. The Lexus ES is based on the Camry's bulletproof platform and typically uses a version of its incredibly smooth and durable V6 engine. But Lexus takes it a step further. They use higher quality materials, more sound deadening, and subject the cars to an even more rigorous quality control process. The result is a car that is not only whisper quiet and supremely comfortable, but also one of the most dependable vehicles on the road. It's the smart choice in the luxury market, proving that you can have comfort, prestige, and unwavering peace of mind, all in one package. A lightweight, two-seater sports car might seem like an unlikely candidate for a list of unbreakable vehicles, but the Mazda MX-5 Miata has spent over 30 years defying stereotypes. It is, quite simply, one of the most reliable and rewarding cars you can own. Mazda's genius was in reviving the spirit of classic British roadsters, but engineering it with Japanese precision and dependability. The Miata has always featured a simple, naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, a robust manual or automatic transmission, and a straightforward rear-wheel drive layout. There are no overly complex systems to fail. It's pure mechanical simplicity. This focus on fundamentals means that Miatas can endure years of spirited driving, track days, and daily commuting with remarkable grace. It's a car that provides 1,000,000 miles of smiles without the fear of a $1,000 repair bill. If you want to know which cars are truly tough, look at what the professionals use. For decades, police departments, taxi companies, and government agencies across North America relied on one car, the Ford Crown Victoria. The Crown Vic, along with its siblings the Mercury Grand Marquis and Lincoln Town Car, was the last of a breed, a traditional, body-on-frame, V8-powered American sedan. This construction made it incredibly durable and easy to repair after collisions. Its 4.6-liter modular V8 engine is legendary for its ability to idle for thousands of hours and rack up incredible mileage with minimal maintenance. These cars were built for constant, hard use. They weren't sophisticated, but they were incredibly tough. Their service record in the most demanding fleets on Earth is undeniable proof of their unbreakable nature. When your journey takes you to the most remote corners of the planet, where the nearest mechanic is 1,000 miles away, there is only one vehicle that inspires absolute confidence: the Toyota Land Cruiser. It is, without exaggeration, the most reliable vehicle in the world. The Land Cruiser is a product of Toyota's quality, durability, and reliability ethos, taken to the absolute extreme. It is famously over-engineered. The frame is stronger than it needs to be. The suspension components are massive. The engines, whether inline sixes of old or the modern V8s, are designed to run on questionable fuel in extreme temperatures for 25 years or more. Toyota tests the Land Cruisers in the harshest conditions on Earth because they know it will be used there by organizations like the United Nations and Red Cross. It is an incredibly expensive vehicle, but you're not just paying for luxury. You're paying for the certainty that it will never, ever let you down.
For as long as the Camry has been a benchmark for reliability, its arch rival, the Honda Accord, has been right there with it, often offering a slightly more engaging driving experience without sacrificing dependability. Honda's reputation was built on the quality of its engineering, and the Accord has always been the showcase. Honda engines, particularly their four-cylinders, are renowned for their smoothness, efficiency, and incredible longevity. The build quality has consistently been at the top of the class, with tight panel gaps and high-quality interior materials that stand the test of time. Owners often report driving their Accords for well over 200,000 or 300,000 miles, with the car still feeling solid and responsive.
It's the car for the person who needs practical, reliable transportation, but still appreciates the finer points of a well-engineered machine. We've mentioned it as a benchmark, and now it takes its rightful place near the top of our list, the Toyota Camry. It's more than just a car. It's a phenomenon of reliability. It is the embodiment of a vehicle that eliminates stress from its owner's life. For generations, the Camry has been engineered with one primary goal: to provide flawless service. Toyota's production system is legendary, focusing on eliminating defects at every stage of the manufacturing process. The powertrains are famously conservative and understressed, designed for longevity above all else. This relentless focus on quality has resulted in a car that owners can buy with the confidence that it will likely outlast their need for it. It might not be the most exciting car to drive, but the feeling of turning the key every morning, knowing with 100% certainty that it will start and get you where you need to go, is a form of automotive perfection all its own. And now we arrive at number 1. The car that not only tops our list, but changed the entire automotive world with its shocking, unprecedented level of quality and reliability: the very first Lexus LS 400. In the late 1980s, Toyota set out with a singular mission: to build a luxury car that was better than the German benchmarks in every single way. They spent over $1 billion and employed thousands of engineers to achieve this. The result was the LS 400. Its 1UZ FE V8 engine was so smooth and perfectly balanced that a pyramid of champagne glasses could sit on it at full throttle without spilling a drop. But more than that, it was built to a standard of engineering that the world had never seen. Every component was over-engineered to last for decades. The car was so quiet, so refined, and so utterly dependable that it forced the entire luxury car industry to rethink its standards. The original LS 400 wasn't just reliable, it was a statement. It proved that true luxury is not just about features, but about flawless execution and the promise of enduring quality. It is and remains the ultimate unbreakable car. From the rugged simplicity of a Volvo to the obsessive perfection of a Lexus, these 12 cars share a common soul. They were built by engineers who believed that quality was not an option, but an obligation. They represent the ultimate freedom: the freedom from worry, the freedom from breakdowns, and the freedom to simply drive. In a world that's constantly changing, these machines are a reminder that some things can and should be built to last. Which of these unbreakable legends is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And for more stories that celebrate the finest machines ever built, be sure to subscribe to Luxurist. Thanks for watching.